Hello everyone, my name is Justin and I'm the one who's representing our group to show you guys the trading strategy and the result since my teammates are having a fever right now. So I'm here to represent myself and yeah, let's get started. And firstly, for our data, I've connected 10 years of data for 500 stocks. And the 500 stock is are picked from the SP 500. So the SP 500 are made of 500 stocks. So basically I just connected 500 single stocks, 10 years data. Yeah. Also, I've also connected the index data, the SPY, which is the SP 500. And yeah, and first I'll go to the EMA strategy, and then I'll go to and the EMA strategy is applied on a single stock, Apple, and then I'll go to the second strategy, which is the index hold 10 years strategy. So basically, that's a benchmark or baseline. So basically, we just buy the SP 500 and hold 10 years as our baseline to compare with. And for our third strategy, we basically select stocks from the 500 stocks, which is equivalent with the select stocks from the SP 500. So for example, if we select 10 stocks from the 500 companies, and then if the 10 stocks outperform then the SP 500 itself, it means like we have created alpha in financial language. Yeah, let's get started. Firstly, let's go to the Apple strategy. So and I want to discuss more on our structure. So basically, put, I've assigned to each strategy a YML file, and this is really convenient. So basically, you just uh, enter you can enter the parameter of your strategy, put it here. So it's more convenient to edit, or you want to backtest on different assets or backtesting different hyperparameter, or you want to backtest different period of time. Yeah, let's get started by the apply a EMA strategy in Apple. So this one is easy. We just buy the stock when the fast EMA period cross slow EMA period, and then sell when the fast go cross under slow EMA period. That's like easy strategy. And since the strategy backtest may take long, I'll start to backtest the other two strategies simultaneously. And this one is the hold index, and this one it's the selecting stock strategy. Oh, this is fast since it's just one data source. Yeah, let's see the result. It says the result is a save into EMA Apple 10 years, which is here. And we use the quant stats library to stone our result. So you would just output a HTML file, and then we could visualize our result in the HTML file, and it's really clear. So for example, Um, so this strategy has a benchmark with the SPY, and so our strategy is using, yeah, you can see like our strategies for some period of time we can outperform the SPY, and after considering the volatility, the risk, it looks like our strategy is way better than the SPY. And yeah, probably because Apple is like the best stock among the 500 stocks in SP 500. So yeah, we can imagine this is definitely better than the index itself. If we buy the Apple and we just don't sell for like 10 years, we're gonna have a lot of money right now. Yeah, and then we can see the rolling beta, rolling volatility, rolling sharp, and also rolling Satino, and those are the financial indicators that financial metrics to measure our strategy, and it looks like it was really good. And yeah, we can see the let me see our return. The cumulative return for our strategy is 241 for 241. So basically it means we if we invest for like 10,000, now we're gonna have like 30,000, 34,000 something. Yeah, that's the EMA strategies. And let's go to the index hold strategy is the backtest is finished. So let's go and see the result. You can imagine how the curve would be like. Um, yeah, let's go. Yeah, so basically this strategy we just buy and hold the SP 500 itself. So to verify the library, the framework is a is a good or bad framework itself. We can see like the buy and hold strategy just overlap with the buy and hold SPY. So which means the framework is believable and we can trust the library since since they overlap. So we buy and hold of the index, and this is like the exactly same curve as the library itself's curves. And now this is just buy and hold SP 500. So we wanna we wanna select certain stocks from the 500 companies to outperform this curve. So I use momentum strategies. So this strategy, the idea of the strategy is to pick the 50 companies. We firstly measure the momentum of each companies, and we rank the momentums, and we pick the top 50 momentum strategies. We pick the top 50 momentum companies, and we just buy and hold for a month, and then we changes the company every single month. That's the idea behind the momentum rebalance. And we can see the backtest is finished as well. So we can go to the result, building. And since the SPY and hold SPY overlap with the buy and hold index strategy, so we can trust the yellow SPY benchmark. And we can see like our strategy is way better than the index itself. It shows it shows our strategy can. Let's go to the statistics. So we got a we got a like 8 times return, which means if we invest 100 like 10 years ago, right now is like 80,000 already. So which means the strategy is and we can see the max drawdown, like it's just It's exactly is almost the same as the SPY, but we got like 500, like 400 rate of return more than the SPY itself. And we got a like a higher sharp, higher Satino, and everything's higher, which means like we really find alpha in financial language. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much everything for today's presentation. Seems we got a really great rate of return, and I think I can't wait to put this strategy into a real market to test it. Yeah, thank you very much.